All right, you guys, so today I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys a solution to not have to use SDI on your Pyxis and be able to use HDMI through the viewfinder port. I've been seeing a lot on this camera as of late, and people really trying to figure out a solution to this but not really having the right solution. I'm pretty positive I found the right solution, but it's kind of like a combination of things. So starting with the cable that you need, I bought this off of Amazon. It's a 4K HDMI to USB-C cable, and it's about 2 feet a foot or whatever in length, and I kind of just leave it coiled up like this at all times. So this is kind of part one to the solution. I've been seeing people use like dongle adapters and everything, and then like they say it works and then it doesn't work, or it just doesn't work with like the monitor. Essentially, like what you want is that you need a monitor that is capable of recording up to 1080p 60. Now I could be completely wrong on this, but I've tried this on my Atomos monitors, and then this monitor, which is the Blackmagic 12G SDI monitor. So as you see, I have this monitor on right here. My Pyxis is on. It's kind of just pointing at my screen, and right now I have my Hollyland monitor on here as well. And I'm actually gonna, like, since the Hollyland monitor is up and on, I'm gonna show you guys why this doesn't work. Gonna plug that in, HDMI in right there, and as you guys, let me see if I can flip this around. Here we go. You can see we're getting no image on the Hollyland, just the logo there. So going to we're actually just gonna take this Hollyland monitor off for now, power it down. All right, going ahead and swapping out my monitor with the Blackmagic 12G SDI, and kind of have it on backwards, but just want it in a position where you guys can see it. Again, monitor, it's definitely on. I don't know how to get the menus back. There we go. Gonna take my cable. It's already plugged up to the viewfinder port here, and then just gonna pop it into the HDMI in, and as you can see, we have image. Yeah, you can get clean feed out on this if you want. You know, I guess if you want to be able to record and get ProRes out of your 12G SDI. So yeah, this is a way to get ProRes too. I don't know why I forgot to say that at the beginning of the video, but this is a way to get ProRes out of your Pyxis as well. If you want that as an option, just if you have the funds, I guess, charge it to a client, do whatever you need. But you can get a 12G SDI. I don't use the Atomos monitors anymore. But you can, do Blackmagic Raw ProRes through here. You can send a clean feed signal, record raw. The only downside, obviously, because I know a lot of people trying to ask and figure it out, is no, you cannot control the camera through the 12G SDI. I wish you could. That'd be like really cool and kind of like solve my issue of just like wanting that Pyxis monitor that's not out for some reason. But yeah, this is a way to get ProRes and to get HDMI out, leaving the back of your camera completely SDI free. You don't have to worry about protocol damaging the camera, and this works. I'm gonna like completely shut this monitor down here. Let's turn it off for you guys here. Unplug it. Monitor's off. Let's turn the camera off as well, so you guys can see that camera's off. Gonna turn the camera back on. I absolutely love how fast this, here we go, camera turns back on. I'm gonna pop the monitor on here. All right, monitor's on. Plugging up again the HDMI to USB-C, and wait a few seconds, and there you go. As long as you have just like a SSD solution running to your monitor, you'll be able to record in whatever format you want. I do wish I can lock the screen so I don't get like the double overlay, or I guess again, if you're just doing clean feed, which I'll actually switch to here, monitor EVF clean feed, boom. All right, so there we have clean feed, log output on there, and then yeah, I don't have a SSD plugged up right now, but if I wanted to, yeah, you can record, get ProRes. I'm saying this over and over, kind of going in loops here, but this is how you get that beautiful solution. Again, I can unplug USB here, plug it back in. That signal's gonna come back, and I'm only doing that to show that people have been saying, like, you know, power cycle, do whatever to the camera, and for some reason, like, it's not working. This cable works. This cable is reliable. I have done just like some shoots with this solution just to keep the camera a little more nimble and minimal, and just like minimize having, you know, the extra cables. But again, the main thing is you want to have the pairing of a monitor that can do 1080p 60. I think that's just the data rate or something that, you know, this needs, or like that it's sending the max maybe data rate that it's sending, or just a monitor that records. Because again, I showed you guys on this one, it doesn't work. I've tried it on my gaming monitor, which I wish I could show you guys, but it's all plugged up right now playing Call of Duty, and yeah, it works on there. So that's why I say like a 1080p capable 60p capable monitor, and all that. So yeah, this is a solution. It works. It's beautiful. I love it. I'll have the link below. Again, check it out, and happy shooting.